Recently, I was invited to dinner and I was wined and dined by someone else. I know, it was lovely. I didn't do any cooking. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen. Today I am going to make a recipe inspired by a recent dinner I was invited to. So shout out to Ethel. She made this wonderful, homey, delicious, just classic tuna pasta salad. And I mean, I've had it before, but I've never thought about making it, and I don't know why, because it's awesome. So I took the inspiration from that dinner from Ethel, and I decided I'm gonna try making something a little different, a little my own, and incorporating that kind of classic tuna pasta salad. So let's go ahead and build this together. I am using pasta shells for this recipe, but you know what? Any kind of noodle will likely work for this, just something small and easy to work with. The one tip I will give you is that I found with any pasta salad that you're serving cold, I like to overcook the noodles just a tiny bit so that they're a little more squishy and mushy. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's build the rest of our salad. So, once we have our noodles in a bowl, we are going to add equal parts mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. If you want to use all mayonnaise, you can, but I love that little tartness that yogurt adds to any sort of creamy pasta dish, or, I mean, I use it in a lot of different things, even when making salad dressings. Anyway, I digress. We're gonna add in a bunch of vegetables. I have not met a vegetable that I do not like, so I always like any of my salads to be loaded with it. Today I am adding onion, celery, peas, just frozen out of the bag works just fine, and whatever color bell pepper that you want to add in as well. This gives us a nice crunch to go with the softness and sweetness of that mayo mixture with those noodles. I like a little crunch in my salad. Okay, now, when we're adding the tuna, you open a can of tuna, you drain it, and you stick it in. But I like these little flavored tuna packages. This one has a lemon flavor, and I think it goes really well in this pasta salad. So I'm using 2 cans of that. I'm also going to season with lots of salt and pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and add fresh dill. I love fresh herbs, and put dill on anything, and I am in. Give that a good mixing. Make sure that mayo and yogurt gets all over the veggies and the pasta, and you are ready to eat this. It is great served right away when you've made it. If you need to keep it in the fridge for a couple days, it's gonna last a couple days, so don't worry about it, and it's great nice and cold right out of the fridge too. What a beautiful classic with a few extra ingredients, and oh, that fresh dill I absolutely love. If you have not made tuna pasta salad in a while, or if you've never made it, try this one. Why not? This is kind of perfect for that summer eating, cold type cooking, and being able to make a big batch of something where you're feeding multiple people. Thank you, Ethel, for the inspiration to make this, and I hope maybe you try my version of it because I like your version too. Thank you so much for joining me on the Silly Kitchen. Till next time.